Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake more spongy and soft. First, let's talk about ingredients. Always use room temperature butter and eggs. This helps them emulsify better, creating a smoother batter. Sifting your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder adds air and prevents lumps, contributing to a lighter texture. Also, make sure your leavening agents are fresh for maximum lift. Next, proper mixing is crucial for a tender crumb. Begin by creaming your butter and sugar together for at least 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light, pale, and fluffy. This process incorporates essential air. When adding dry and wet ingredients, alternate them, starting and ending with dry. Most importantly, mix only until the ingredients are just combined to prevent overdeveloping the gluten, which can make your cake tough. Baking correctly is just as important as preparation. Always preheat your oven for at least 15 to 20 minutes to ensure a consistent temperature throughout. Resist the urge to open the oven door during the first 2/3 of the baking time, as this can cause the cake to collapse. Once baked, let your cake cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents condensation and maintains softness. For an even softer and moister cake, consider a few extra steps. Incorporating a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil or buttermilk into your batter can significantly enhance its tenderness. Crucially, avoid overbaking at all costs. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Finally, brushing a light simple syrup onto your cooled cake layers adds an incredible boost of moisture and keeps them fresh longer. Enjoy your perfectly spongy cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.